Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to use some spray paint to cover up some scratches or other marks on your dryer. For this repair, you'll just need a can of spray paint. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. This is our dryer model. It's a Kenmore. Now keep in mind that ours might be a little bit different than what you got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So as you can see here, we've got a couple scuff marks on the side of the dryer. Oftentimes that happens when you're moving stuff into your house. Something scrapes against the side of a wall or something and takes some paint off. So what we've got here is our spray paint. All we have to do, take the cap off, shake it up real good. And the best way to do this is just to lightly spray across in a few quick jets. You don't want it to get running like that right there. Just gonna wipe that up real quick. But you just want to do nice quick bursts. And that'll stop you from having the paint run down like my first one. Now we've got that mostly covered up. We're going to wait to see what happens when it dries. If we can still see a little bit, we'll just do it again. So we've let it dry a little bit. You can still see a little bit of the scratches. So we're just going to do another coat. And I think once that's dry, we won't be able to see anything at all. So now that you put the paint on there, your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.